Brian Bingles. Welcome back to Miss Mars's Music Room. We are going to continue our color game that we learned last week. So take a look down at your clothes, but don't tell anybody else what colors you are wearing. I'm going to look down and I'm going to tell you the colors I'm wearing because I have this very interesting kind of green color on, but it's also kind of blue. So today I'm lucky. If I see blue or green pop up on the screen, I get to stand up. I'm also still wearing my blue jeans, some blue shoes that also have white spots on them. And you know what? I'm even going to count my black watch today. So let's see what is, I have silver and gray on my shirt too. Okay, so if I see any of those colors up on the screen, I get to stand up and strut my stuff and show off my outfit today. So everyone take a seat. And let's get that song back in our head. Let's see. Oh, one of my favorite colors of all time, pink. So if you're wearing pink, look down at your clothes. Don't say anything though. If you're wearing pink, when I make my special signal, you are going to stand up and show everybody your beautiful pink outfit. You ready? Pink, 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 oh, who is wearing pink? Pink, 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 oh, who is wearing pink? Stand up. I am wearing pink today. Listen to me as I say, pink, 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 oh, I am wearing pink. And then you sit down at the end of the song. And notice the second time, when after you stand up, we say, I am wearing pink. We're no longer asking the question, who is? Because when you stand up, we'll know it's you. All right, I'm going to touch the house, and let's pick this oval. Green. Told you that's one of Maya's special lucky colors today. Here we go. Green, 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 oh, who is wearing green? Green, 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 oh, who is wearing green? I am wearing green today. Listen to me as I say, green, 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 oh, I am wearing green. We sit down at the end. Okay, let's do a few more. Look at this triangle right here. Gray. I have gray on my shirt. So here we go. Gray, 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 oh, who is wearing gray? Gray, 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 oh, who is wearing gray? I am wearing gray today. Listen to me as I say, gray, 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 oh, I am wearing gray. Okay, let's do two more today. Let's do this half circle. Oh, wait a second. That's not a color. To me, that looks like lines on a notebook. So, you know what? We're going to call those stripes. You can have stripes going this way. You can have stripes going up and down. So if you have stripes anywhere on your clothes, you get to stand up. Miss Mars, though, let's see if she's wearing stripes today. Here we go. Stripes, 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 oh, who is wearing stripes? Stripes, 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 oh, who is wearing stripes? I am wearing stripes today. Listen to me as I say, stripes, 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 oh, I am wearing stripes. Okay, stripy people. All right. Oh, we've got one more after this. The color black. Oh, Miss Mars doesn't. Oh, that's right. She's got her watch on. She's wearing it, so she gets to stand up. Black, black, black. Oh, who is wearing black? Black, black, black. Oh, who is wearing black? I am wearing black today. Listen to me as I say, black, black, black. Oh, I am wearing black. Okay, let's do one more. One more this week, and then Miss Mars is going to have to make some more colors just for you. Let's do this one. Oh, that's another pattern. That's not a color, but you know what? I see circles, dots on my shirt. So we're going to call these Dots, 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 oh, who is wearing dots? Dots, 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 oh, who is wearing dots? I am wearing dots today. Listen to me as I say, dots, 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 oh, I am wearing dots. All right, friends. Next week, we're going to have some more for you. So make sure you're wearing different clothes so we can stand up for different colors. Hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see you next time.